Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to mass Unadd on Snapchat. Unfortunately, Snapchat does not provide a direct button to remove all your friends at once. The current method requires you to unfriend each person individually. While this can be time-consuming for a large friends list, it is the only secure way to manage your connections within the app. Be cautious of any third-party tools claiming to offer mass removal, as these can compromise your account security. To begin removing friends, open Snapchat and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. From your profile page, scroll down and select My Friends to view your entire list. Once you find the friend you want to remove, simply tap and hold their name. A menu will appear. Choose Manage Friendship, and then confirm your decision by tapping Remove Friend. Repeat this process for each person you wish to unfriend. While removing friends one by one can be slow, there are ways to make it more efficient. You can use the search bar within your My Friends list to quickly find specific individuals. For those you've recently chatted with, you can tap and hold their name directly from the chat screen to access the Manage Friendship option. If you have a very large number of friends to remove and want a completely clean slate, deleting your entire Snapchat account is another option. If manually removing friends feels overwhelming, deleting your Snapchat account will remove all your friends and associated data. You can then create a brand new account to start fresh, adding only the people you truly want to connect with. This is a significant step, so ensure you've saved any important memories or information before proceeding. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routines, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.